In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an iMessage with special screen effects. If you've ever wanted to make your text conversations more dynamic and engaging, adding screen effects to your iMessages is a great way to do just that. Let's walk through this simple process together step by step so you can start sending your messages with a bit more flair. First, you'll need to open your iMessage app on your iPhone or iPad. This is the familiar green icon with a speech bubble usually found on your home screen or in your app library. Once you have the app open, either start a new conversation by tapping on the pencil icon in the top right corner, or select an existing conversation with someone you want to message. Next, compose your message. This is just like sending any other message through iMessage. Tap in the text field at the bottom and start typing whatever it is you'd like to say. Now, instead of sending the message immediately, I want you to press and hold the blue send button, which is the arrow to the right of your text field. Hold it down for just a few seconds. Doing this will bring up the Send with Effects screen, which is where the magic happens. You'll notice two tabs at the top of this screen, one labelled Bubble and the other labelled Screen. For screen effects, we'll focus on the Screen tab, tap on it, and you will see a variety of full screen effects that you can use to enhance your message. These effects include animations like balloons, confetti, and fireworks. Simply swipe left or right on your screen to preview the different effects available. Take your time and explore the options to find the one that best fits the tone or excitement you want to convey. Once you've previewed and picked your favorite effect, it'll be time to send your message. To do this, simply tap the send button again and your message will be on its way, complete with the special screen effect you've selected. You can imagine delighting the recipient with a surprise that goes beyond the usual text message. But what if you're interested in bubble effects? These offer a different dimension to your texts by altering how your message actually appears on the screen. For bubble effects, tap on the bubble tab. Here you can choose from effects like slam, loud, gentle, or invisible ink. Slam, for instance, makes your message appear with a loud boom sound, while invisible ink keeps your message hidden until the recipient swipes over it to reveal. This can add an extra layer of intrigue or fun to your conversation. Choose the bubble effect you prefer and, like before, tap send to deliver your message with that personalized touch. Whether you opt for a screen spanning animation or a playful bubble effect, using these features is a fantastic way to make your messages stand out and engage your friends and family in a more interactive way. That's it, you now know how to send iMessages with special screen and bubble effects. Enjoy making your conversations more vibrant, and remember, practice will make this feel like second nature. Thanks for tuning in today.